Good day, I am Jan Renz Reyes, and one of the cultural elements in our community is the Birhen Maria Maulawin, which is venerated by members of the Iglesia Filipina Independiente or Aglipayan. This image of the Virgin Mary is very important to the people of Santa Cruz, Laguna because it represents their faith, culture, and identity. The Birhen Maria Maulawin can be found at the Iglesia Filipina Independiente National Shrine and Cathedral of Our Lady of Maulawin in Santa Cruz, Laguna. Devotees visit the church to pray, light candles, and attend Mass. Some people also participate in special celebration and religious activities in honor of the Birhen Maria Maulawin. These activities are usually attended by church members, families, and community residents. This cultural element is significant because it strengthens the faith of the people and unites the community. It gives hope, comfort, and guidance, especially during difficult times. It is also part of our tradition that has been passed down from generation to generation. In terms of science, technology, and society, this cultural practice is connected to society because it promotes unity and shared beliefs among the people. It is connected to technology because the church uses microphones, speakers, lights, and social media to conduct masses and share information. It is also connected to science because faith and prayer can help improve the person's emotional well-being and reduce stress. In conclusion, the Birhen Maria Maulawin of the Iglesia Filipina Independiente is an important cultural and religious symbol in our community. It shows how culture, technology, and society are connected and how traditions continue to shape people's lives. That's all, and thank you.